To help investors map out their portfolio strategy and cut down time on stock screening, MarketSmith has developed proprietary ratings that help reveal leading stocks before they make their big moves. One of the main instruments in that MarketSmith toolbox is the Master Score. What is a Master Score? The Master Score incorporates earnings growth, relative price trend, price volume characteristics, industry group relative strength, and other factors into one score. It is a relative measure, meaning it compares the performance of a stock to that of all other stocks in the market. So, if a stock has a 90 composite rating, it means the stock has outperformed 90% of all other stocks on key fundamental and technical metrics. Think of the Master Score as your compass for screening stocks. It can help point you in the right direction towards stocks with strong characteristics. Market history shows that the best stocks often have a Master Score of 80 or higher in the early stages of a big price move. While the Master Score includes a wide range of factors, it's important to remember it's just a starting point in helping to identify stocks that are worthy of a closer look. To identify companies that are doing something new and revolutionary that will enable them to be growth leaders in a given market cycle, you'll want to do your research. Note the current market trend and find the proper entry point before buying any stock. Once you're on MarketSmith's evaluation page, first thing you will notice is a Master Score. The rating that we show here is a letter rating ranging from A to E. A rating of A means the stock falls in top 20% of all the stocks. Next 20% is rated as B, and so on. As a growth investor, you would like to focus on stocks that are rated A or B. C requires a careful study of the stock, and you would like to avoid anything that is rated D or E. If you come down to the summary section, you can see the Master Score here as well. The rating that we show here is a number rating. The logic is same. A rating of 80 means that the stock falls in top 20% of all the stocks. You can view this as anything greater than 80 is great. Anything between 60 and 80 is good, and anything between 40 and 60 should be evaluated carefully, and anything below 40 should be avoided. Now, the question you might have in mind is there an easy way to find out the stocks where there is an improvement in Master Score recently? The answer is a big yes. You can visit the Idea List page and click on the list named Greatest Improvement in Master Score under MarketSmith Stocks Screens section. This list features companies with the greatest improvement in Master Score. To appear on the list, the stock must have a Master Score of at least 68, and there must be an improvement of at least 5% as compared to last week's score. A special screen is used to eliminate most stocks that are extended in price. When you see a growth stock appear in this list, you should study the stock in greater detail and gather more information about its fundamental and technical performance.